Ever wondered how to ship from China? Well, you're not alone. International shipping can seem like a labyrinth of logistics and legalities. But don't fret. Whether you're an entrepreneur sourcing materials or an established business expanding your supply chain, understanding the ins and outs of shipping from China can be a game changer. From freight forwarders to shipping contracts, we're here to simplify this complex process. So, buckle up and get ready to navigate the high seas of international trade. Stay tuned as we demystify the process of shipping from China. The first step in shipping from China is finding a reliable freight forwarder. Now you may ask, how exactly do I do that? The answer, my friends, is research. Yes, it may seem tedious, but trust me, it's worth the effort. First off, you'll want to check the company's reputation. A quick online search can reveal a wealth of information. Look for reviews, testimonials, and any red flags that might signal a less than reputable operation. Next, consider the company's experience with shipping specifically from China. This is crucial, as each country has its own set of regulations and requirements. A forwarder with a solid track record in Chinese imports will be able to navigate these waters with ease. Finally, take a good look at their pricing structure. Are there hidden fees? Is everything transparent and straightforward? Remember, the lowest quote doesn't always mean the best deal. Once you've found a reliable freight forwarder, you're ready for the next step. Next, you'll need to familiarize yourself with shipping terms. As a world traveler of goods, a few key terms will become your best friends. Let's start with FOB, or free on board. This means the seller delivers the goods on board the vessel nominated by the buyer. The risk of loss or damage is transferred from the seller to the buyer when the goods are on board the ship. Then we have CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. With this term, the seller pays the costs and freight to bring the goods to the port of destination. But once the goods are on board, the risk transfers to the buyer. Finally, there's DDP, delivered duty paid. Here, the seller bears all risks and costs, including duties and taxes, to bring the goods to the destination. These terms not only dictate cost, but also responsibilities. By understanding these, you can better navigate the sea of international trade. With a solid understanding of shipping terms, you're ready to negotiate your shipping contract. Now, it's time to negotiate and finalize your shipping contract. When it comes to negotiations, understanding your leverage is crucial. Leverage can come from various aspects, such as the volume of your shipment, the frequency of your shipments, or a long-standing relationship with the freight forwarder. Use this to your advantage when discussing terms. Being clear about your requirements is another key factor. Specify your needs, whether that's the type of container, the handling of the goods, or the delivery timeline. This will set the foundation for a contract that serves your interests. But remember, a good contract isn't just about the shipping fee. It should include all costs associated with the shipment. These may range from customs duties, insurance premiums, to handling and warehousing fees at the destination port. There should be no hidden costs that can surprise you later. Once you've negotiated the terms, it's time to review the contract. Pay close attention to the fine print. This is where you'll find details about liability, dispute resolution, and cancellation terms. If there's something you don't understand, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. It's better to clear up any confusion now than to face complications later. After you've reviewed and understood all the terms, you can sign off on the contract. This is a big step, but don't rush it. Take your time, be thorough, and make sure everything is in order. With a finalized contract, you're almost ready to ship. Finally, it's time to ship and track your goods. This is the moment where everything you've planned for comes to fruition. It all begins with preparing the necessary documentation. This includes your shipping invoice, packing list, and any other required documents. The importance of accuracy in these documents cannot be overstated. Next, it's time to arrange pickup and delivery. Your freight forwarder will handle this part, ensuring your goods are picked up from the supplier and delivered to the port of loading. Then comes the tracking. Most freight forwarders offer online tracking systems. These systems allow you to monitor your shipment's progress, giving you peace of mind and helping you plan for its arrival. You can see when your goods are loaded onto the ship, track their journey across the ocean, and know when they've arrived at the destination port. With these steps, you're well on your way to successfully shipping from China.